Greetings to everyone who is watching us right now. In today's lesson, we'll talk about the usage of the frequency adverbs. So let's get started. What do we call frequency adverbs? These are the words that describe how often an action happens, and they are used with the present simple tense. And let's take a look at our two examples here. Jason never walks to the store. He always drives a car. So the words never and always are examples of the frequency adverbs. However, there are so many more words, and let's take a look at that list. So as I said before, the word always is 100% occurrence. The word usually represents around 90% of occurrence. Often, 80%. Frequently, 70%. Sometimes is somewhere in the middle, and it's about 50%. Occasionally, 30%. Seldom, 20%. Rarely, 10%. Almost never, 5%. Never is 0% occurrence. Emma always goes to bed before 11 p.m. Always goes to bed, 100%. Adric usually stops to grab a bagel and coffee on his way to work. Usually stops. Josh is often late for his meetings. Often late. Victoria frequently spends Christmas with her friends. Frequently spends. Sometimes Alice and Riley play tennis on the weekend. Sometimes play. Our family occasionally orders Mexican food for dinner. Occasionally orders. I seldom add sugar to my tea. Seldom add. Ruby rarely goes to the cinema. Rarely goes. Allison almost never drinks soda, but today she decided to drink some. Almost never drinks. Andrea never swims in the ocean. Never swims. 0%. Thank you so much for being with us today. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and follow us on the social media. We'll see you the next time. Goodbye.